Castor oil is a versatile type of vegetable oil that has been around for hundreds of years. Castor oil is extracted from castor beans and has many different medicinal, pharmaceutical, and general uses that most people are unaware of. However, one of the well-known uses of castor oil is for your skin. But the question remains, does it actually work? Well, this is precisely what we are going to talk about in this video. So if you are prepared, let's get into it. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is monounsaturated fatty acid that serves as natural moisturizer. This explains why it is often used as deep facial cleanser. Research has shown that castor oil is helpful for removing makeup, decreasing acne, and soothing sensitive skin. It is also much friendlier for cleansing your skin compared to some of the common type of soap that many of us use. Castor oil is known for having antibacterial properties. However, unlike some of the soap and detergents sold in stores, it doesn't strip the top layer of your skin. Another benefit of castor oil is it can reduce wrinkles. Research has shown that castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that can combat free radicals and protect your skin from aging. As previously mentioned, it contains ricinoleic acid, which can moisturize your skin and is good when it comes to reducing wrinkles over time. Not only it reduces wrinkles, it is effective in reducing stretch marks as well. Scratch marks are a type of scar that occurs when your skin becomes scratched in a short period of time. When this occurs, the collagen in your skin breaks down and the healing process leaves behind these marks with that. Research has shown that rubbing castor oil into scratch marks causes the scar tissue to flatten and become lighter. This provides deep moisturization and helps them go away over time. Castor oil can also serve as an effective treatment for acne. Acne is a type of skin condition that occurs when the pores are filled with oil and dead skin cells. Not to mention, castor oil has antimicrobial properties which can help fight the certain type of bacteria on your skin that causes acne. So just to give a quick recap, some studies have shown that castor oil is effective and can offer several positive health benefits for your skin. Castor oil serves as deep facial cleanser, reduce wrinkles, reduce scratch marks, treatment for acne,